two different types of at-risk readers. One is a struggling reader and the other is a dyslexic reader. Let's talk about the similarities and the differences. Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm a dyslexia interventionist and it's my job to help parents like you figure this out. First thing you need to understand is that when we learn to read, when we're taught to read, we develop a whole new neurological pathway, all right? And we develop it all over the left hemisphere of our brain. So we have to have this pathway in order to be able to read. Here's what the struggling reader and the dyslexic reader have in common. Neither of them have this pathway fully developed, which causes a problem with reading. Here's the difference though. A struggling reader has had an educational opportunity gap, which just means they've had at least 1 year of bad instruction when it comes to reading. And this can happen literally at any school. Public, private, charter, magnet, doesn't matter, all right? It happens in almost every school system in the US, which is why our literacy rates are so low. All is to say they simply have not developed this pathway yet. Now, a dyslexic reader is totally different in the sense that they're literally using the wrong part of their body. They're operating in the right hemisphere of their brain. So fundamentally, dyslexia is a difference in neurological wiring. We still need to develop the neurological pathway required for reading, right? I call this the reading superhighway in the left hemisphere of our brain. So whether your child is dyslexic or struggling, they still have to develop this. Whether your child is dyslexic, like literally has a difference in neurological wiring of the brain, or if they're simply struggling, Orton-Gillingham intervention is the best, most effective way to get them on track and close that gap between their achievement and their grade level. Your child can learn to read whether they are truly dyslexic or simply struggling. If your child is struggling, check out jumpreading.org or schedule a consultation with me because they can learn to read and I can show you how.